Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start our exercise number 4.1. First heading, divide the following and find the quotient and remainder. Okay, first question is $489 divided by 4. What you should do? First of all, you see how many 4s are there in 4. How many 4s are there in 4? 1. 4 ones are 4. So you write 1 at a quotient place and write 4 below 4 and subtract it. You will get 0. Then you bring down next digit, that is 8. Again you should see how many 4s are there in 8. 4 2s are 8. Then write 2 at a quotient place and write below 8 and subtract it. Again you will get 8 minus 8, 0. Then our next digit is 9. That is that one. You bring down and again you see how many 4s are there in 9. 4 2s are 8. How many 4s are there in 9? 2. Then 4 2s are 8. Write 8 below 9 and subtract it. You will get 9 minus 8 is 1. And write our quotient is 122 and remainder is 1. Second one is 962 divided by 3. We write like this. 3 is a divisor. 962 is a dividend. Let us see how many 3's are there in 9. You should say the tables. 3. 3 1's are 3, 3 2's are 6 and 3 3's are 9. How many 3's are there in 9? 3 3's are there in 9. So you write 3 as at a quotient place and 9 write below 9 and subtract it. Then 9 minus 9, 0. Then bring down next digit, that is 6. Again you see how many 3's are there in 6. 3 2's are 6. Means 2 3's are there in 6. Then write 2 as say quotient and write 6 below 6 and subtract it. You will get 0. Then bring down next digit, that is 2. This number not divisible by 3 because 2 is smaller than 3. Division is impossible. Then we are keeping 2 as a remainder and this 0 should write as a quotient place. Then what is the quotient? 320 and remainder is 2. Next is third one. 8305 divided by 6. We should say the sixth table. How many 6 are there in 8? 6 1's are 6. Subtract it. 8 minus 6, you get 2. 2 is smaller than our divisor. So bring next digit down, that is 3. Let us see how many 6 are there in 23. 6 1's are 6, 6 2's are 12, 6 3's are 18 and 6 4's are 24. But we should not take 24. We should take before the number. Then 6 3's are 18. Write 3 as a quotient and 18 right below 23 and subtract it. Here 8 is not subtracted by, not possible for subtracting from 3. So we are borrowing 1 from here and write here 13 and here became 1. Now subtract it. 13 minus 8 will get 5. Again, this number is smaller than our divisor. Then we are going to bring our next digit down. That is 0. Now it becomes 15. Now we should see how many 6 are there in 15. Again you say the tables. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48. We will take 6 8s are, write 8 at the quotient place and 48 below 50. Subtract it. Here 0 becomes 10, then 4. 10 minus 8, 2. Again it is smaller than our divisor. Then bring next digit 2 down. That is 5. Let us see how many 6 are there in 25. You say the table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. But we should take before number, then 6 4s are 24. How many 6 are there in 25? 4 6 are there. Then write 24 below 25 and subtract it. 5 minus 4, 1. Okay. Now our question is 1384 and remainder is 1. Next number is 9176 divided by 4. You say the tables. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are there in 9. Write 2 at your quotient place and 8 below 9 and subtract 8. 9 minus 8, 1 is smaller than divisor. Then bring next digit 2 down, that is 1. Now it became 11. Then how many 4s are there? Again say the tables. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. But 8 is our correct answer. 4 2s are 8. How many 4s are there in 11? 2. Then write below 11 8 and subtract it. 11 minus 8 will get 3. Again you bring next digit because this number is smaller than our divisor. Next digit means that is 7. Now it became 37. Then let us see how many 4s are there in 37. Say the tables. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24 and 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. Then 4 10s are 40. We should take 4 9s are 36. How many 4s are there in 36, 37? 9 4s 4. Then 9 write at the quotient place and write 36 below 37. Then subtract it. 7 minus 6, 1. Then again 1 is smaller than our divisor. So again you bring next digit, that is 6. Now it became 16. And how many 4s are there in 16? 4 4s are 16. Write 16 below 16 and subtract it. We will get 0. Now our quotient is 2294 and remainder is 0. Our next number is 4733 divided by 6 means 4733 divided by 6. Here our first digit is 4 smaller than our divisor. So we are going to take two numbers. Now you see how many 6 are there in 47. Say the table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. But we should take smaller number. Then 6 sevens are 42. Write 7 at your question place and write 42 below 47 and subtract it. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. Again we got smaller number. Then bring next digit, that is 3. Now it became 53. Again you see how many 6 are there in 53. We already know 6 sevens are 42. Then 6 eights are 48. We'll take 6 eights are. How many 6 are there in 53? 8 6. Write 48 below 53 and subtract it. Here 13 and became 4. Now 13 minus 8, we got 5. Again smaller number, then bring next digit down, that is 3. Now it became 53 and we are going to take 6 eights are 48. Minus 8, 5. Our question is 788. Remainder is 5. Next number is 6232 divided by 8. Here 6 is smaller, then we are taking 62. How many 8s are there in 62? Let us see. See the tables. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. But we are going to take 8 sevens are 56 because it is smaller than 62. 8 sevens are 56. Then 7, write at a question place. 56, write below 62 and subtract it. Here 6 became 5, then 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Again we should bring next digit because our number is smaller than divisor, that is 3. Now it became 63. Again we are going to take 8 sevens only because 8 eights are 64, 8 sevens are 56. 56 is smaller than 63. 8 sevens are 56. Subtract it. 13 minus 6, 7. Again bring next digit down, that is 2. Now it became 72. Again you see the numbers. How many 8s are there in 72? 8 9s are 72. How many 8s are there in 72? 8 9s are 72. Then subtract it, get 0. Our question is 779 and remainder is 0. Now I will give you the remaining numbers as a homework. Try at home. Okay, which that is 8135 divided by 5. Next 19274 divided by 8. Okay students, thank you.